I am studying in UKG. My school name is St. Philomena's High School.
Gnanapita Awards winner from Karnataka.
Jnanapita Awards winners from Karnataka. Nuvendu, Tara Bendre, Shivaram Karam, Masi Venkatesh Iyengar, V.K. Goka, V.R. Ananta Murthy, Girish Karnad, Chandrasekhara Kambara.
Classical dance form of India.
Classical dance from of India. Bharatanatyam Tamil Nadu, Kathakali Kerala, Kathak Uttar Pradesh, Manipuri Manipur, Gujapadi Andhra Pradesh, Odissi Odisha, Satriya Assam, Makki dance Madhya Pradesh, Dandiya Gujarat, Yakshagana Karnataka.
Rivers of India.
Rivers of India. Brahmaputra, Ganga, Godavari, Indus, Kaveri, Krishna, Mahanadi, Narmada, Periyar, Tamilabharani, Vaigai, Yamuna.
National festivals.
National festivals. 2026 Republic Day, August 15th Independence Day, September 5th Teachers Day, October 2nd Gandhi Jayanti, November 14th Children's Day.
Planets in solar system.
Planets in solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
Four Vedas.
Four Vedas: Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvana Veda.
10 Mukhya Upanishads.
10 Mukhya Upanishads: Ishavasya Upanishads, Kena Upanishads, Katha Upanishads, Prashna Upanishads, Mundaka Upanishads, Malakya Upanishads, Aitarya Upanishads, Taitarya Upanishads, Chandogya Upanishads, Brihadaranyaka Upanishads.
Dashavatara of Lord Vishnu.
Dashavatara of Lord Vishnu: Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Narasimha, Vamana, Parshurama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Kalki.
7 continents of the world.
7 continents of the world: Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia.
5 oceans of the world.
5 oceans of the world: Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Southern Ocean, Arctic Ocean.
Neighboring countries of India.
Neighboring countries of India: Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Pakistan.
Neighboring states of Karnataka.
Neighboring states of Karnataka: Andhra Pradesh, Goa, Kerala, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Telangana.
30 districts in Karnataka.
30 districts in Karnataka: Bagalakote, Bellary, Bidar, Bengaluru Rural, Bengaluru Urban, Belagavi, Chamarajanagar, Chikkaballapura, Chitradurga, Dakshina Kannada, Davanagere, Dharwad, Gadag, Hasan, Haveli, Kalburgi, Kodagu, Kolar, Koppala, Manya, Mysore, Ramnagara, Raichur, Shivamoga, Tumkur, Udupi, Uttara Kannada, Vijayapura, Yadagiri.
Indian festivals.
Indian festivals: Ganesha Chaturthi, Navaratri, Dasara, Deepavali, Mahashivaratri, Christmas, Eid, Holi, Moharram, Good Friday.
Women freedom fighters of India.
Women freedom fighters of India. Durgabai Deshmukh, Aruna Safali, Sujaita Kripalini, Kittur Rani Chandramma, Kelari Chandramma, Onake Obava, Vijay Lakshmi Pandit, Sarojini Naidu, Jhansi Rani Lakshmi Bai.
7 colors in rainbow.
7 colors in rainbow: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red.
Official languages of India.
Official languages of India: Assami, Bengali, Bodo, Togri, Gujarati, Sindhi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Malayalam, Marathi, Maithili, Manipuri, Nepali, Odia, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Santali, Sindhi, Tamil, Telugu.
Religions of India.
Religions of India: Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism, Jainism, Parsi.
Names of Rutus.
Names of Rutus: Vasanta Rutu, Grishma Rutu, Varsha Rutu, Sharad Rutu, Hemanta Rutu, Shishira Rutu.
Hindu lunar months.
Hindu lunar months: Chaitra, Varshaka, Jyeshta, Ashara, Shravana, Bhadrapada, Ashwija, Kartika, Margashira, Pushya, Magha, Falguna.
Main agricultural products.
Main agricultural products: rice, jute, sugarcane, cotton, tea, coffee, milk.
Major cities in India.
Major cities in India: Mumbai, New Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Ahmedabad, Pune, Surat, Jaipur.
Kings of Karnataka.
Kings of Karnataka: Pulkeshi, Krishna Devaraya, Vishnuvardhana, Mayuravarma, Amoga Varsha, Badakari Nayaka, Kitturani Chandramma, Keladi Akka Bukka, Jaya Chamaraja Odeyan, Kempegowda.
5 sense organs.
5 sense organs: eyes, nose, ears, tongue, skin.
Indian dynasties.
Indian dynasties: Chalukya, Chola, Vaisala, Maurya, Pallava, Gupta, Rashtrakuta, Mughal, Vijayanagar, Vardhan.
National symbols.
National symbols:
Father of the nation.
Father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi.
National anthem.
Jana Gana Mana,
National song.
Vande Mataram.
National emblem.
Lion capital:
National flower.
Lotus.
National animal.
Tiger.
National sea animal.
Dolphin.
National bird.
Peacock.
National fruit.
Mango.
National vegetable.
Brinjal.
National language.
Hindi.
National calendar.
Saka calendar.
National book.
Bhagavatam.
National game.
Hockey.
National tree.
Mango tree.
National river.
Ganga.
National flag color.
Jana front, white, green.